Cash App enough for a budget baller or broke boy? Ever since sending Granny a quick $10 for her birthday became a breeze, peer-to-peer payment apps have exploded. Cash App, one of the big players, lets you send, receive, and even invest your money with just a few taps. But with all this financial firepower at your fingertips, a crucial question arises: how much cash can you actually hold on Cash App? Let's face it, nobody wants to be left hanging when it comes to their hard-earned money. So, whether you're a budgeting boss or a flat broke freelancer figuring out Cash App's limits is key. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, there's a crucial factor to consider: verification. Cash App treats verified and unverified accounts differently. Think of it like graduating from Cash App kindergarten to Cash App college. Unverified? Cash App freshman. Alright freshmen, listen up. Without that verification badge, Cash App treats you with kid gloves. There's a total account limit of $1,500, meaning that's the maximum amount of money you can have in your account at any given time. On top of that, sending and receiving is capped at $1,000 within a 30-day period. That's enough for a quick dinner with friends, but not quite for that weekend getaway you've been eyeing. Verification unlocked: Cash App College. Congratulations, graduates! Verifying your identity with your full name, date of birth, and that oh-so-important SSN unlocks a whole new world of Cash App possibilities. The biggest perk? An unlimited balance. That's right, you can store as much money as you want in your Cash App account. But wait, there's more. Sending and receiving limits also get a major boost. We're talking $7,500 per week to send and a whopping $25,000 per week to receive. Now that's the kind of financial freedom we can get behind. Cash App Card, your not-so-secret weapon. While Cash App's balance limits are impressive, there's another way to move some serious money: the Cash App Card. This debit card acts like an extension of your Cash App account, letting you spend your funds at stores and ATMs. Cash App Card also has its own set of limits, but they're pretty generous. You can spend up to $7,000 per transaction, $10,000 per day, $15,000 per week, and a cool $25,000 per month. Just remember, these limits apply to how much you can spend with the card itself, not your overall Cash App balance. So, how much can you really hold? The answer depends on your verification status. Unverified users are capped at $1,500, while verified users enjoy an unlimited balance. Cash App Card users can also move some serious money, with spending limits reaching up to $25,000 per month. Cash App, a final word. Cash App offers a convenient and flexible way to manage your money. Whether you're a verified user with a hefty balance or a casual user just starting out, Cash App has limits to fit your needs. Remember, verification is key to unlocking the full potential of Cash App, so if you're planning on holding some serious cash, make sure to get verified. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.